All right, we're doing an unboxing video here. This is really cool, first time ever. Nobody's ever done this before. The unboxing video. Ta-da! When I saw this film 2 years ago, I dreamed of a matte version of it.
Really?
I really did. I was like, make it matte, make it matte. I really did. I mean that. Like I saw pictures of this and I wanted this film so bad. Just the glossy version looks awesome. That is so cool. It doesn't have a cap sheet. Stick it outside in the sun. Field trip. Thank you, sir. Okay, I'm gonna hold it up here like Simba. Here, hang on. If I do this, maybe you could tell better. You know, like that display, the rotisserie for hot dogs at that place? Looks pretty cool to me.
It looks really cool in the sun.
It looks super cool when the sun hits it.